Beautiful day that God gave us today. Good morning, everyone. Today, we will cook stir-fry beef with tomatoes. But before we will continue our cooking, please don't forget to subscribe my channel right there and hit the notification bell right there too, so you will be notified every time I will post a new video. So, the ingredients of our recipe today is sliced thin beef, tomatoes, onions, garlic, soy sauce, green onions, green leaves or spring onions for garnish. We will put also sesame seeds for garnish, cornstarch, minced onions, garlic powder, and extra virgin olive oil. And before we will continue, we will marinate first our beef. So our beef is clean. Now let's put 1 spoon of cornstarch and half teaspoons of salt right here. And then next is we will mix it together so we have a good marinating beef. But disclaimer lang po, I already washed my hands because in my last video someone commenting that you should wash my hands, so this is for you. So we are done marinating our beef. Now let's go to our stove. So now let's turn on our stove and we will wait when our frying pan or wok will be warm. Now our frying pan is ready. It's now hot. Let's put a little bit spray oil. Now frying pan is warm. Now let's put our garlic. Let's take our onion. Let's stir it and let's cook it for a little bit. Now the next thing that we will put is our marinated beef. Let's stir it also. A bit of soy. Let's stir it. More soy. This is 1 tablespoon of salt. Let's stir it again until it will mix together. Now let's add half cup of water to cook our meat. Alright, this is half cup of water. So our meat will be cooked. There you go. Let's finish the half cup. Now we will let this cook and we will come back until 3 minutes. Okay, we will put a cover it and we will come back after 3 minutes. It's time to put our tomatoes. Look, lots of tomatoes. Stir it and we will come back after 3 minutes. Cover it and we will be back after 3 minutes. Now our recipe is ready. Let's add sesame seeds. Little bit sesame seeds and stir it. And let's test, see if the test is enough. It's right. So now let's put this in our serving bowl. We will add a little bit garlic first. Powdered garlic and minced onions. So we have additional flavor. Stir. And now, let's go to our serving plate. Now, let's move this in our serving plate. Wow, this is so yummy and delicious. Now it's very nice. Now it's done. It's ready to eat. Now this is our stir-fried beef and tomatoes. It's done. Thank you all guys for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!